Hi guys! Right now I'm making a video of how to make it like a bird. So you first fold it here, and can you see? And then you fold it here, and then you do this, and then it's easy, and then you have to clip it. How does the handle? It's really. This don't works. 1 second, guys. I have to make this back. It's really hard. Oh, guys, you have to look at this. This is going to be really beautiful. Can you see me? Oh, there we go. And I'm going to first do this, please. 1 second. Oh. Okay. And this is which I didn't finish. Okay. Look, we're done. And you see this paper, and then you can draw your eyes and your wings. Look. You look by first drawing your eyes, and then I'm still drawing my eyes. And then when you draw your eyes, it looks like this. And then you draw them out like a triangle. And then it looks like this. And if you want to see the wings, and then you have to draw like a part here and here. And then you draw some feathers. And then you see this, and we're gonna draw like this. And then you draw like this. And then you remember this, and you just have to staple it like right up here. You have to staple it. And then be careful with the mouth. And then you finish it like this. Okay, next time I hope you like it. And bye-bye.